guys, so just a quick update. We're down here in the shop today. It's Monday. Me and Chris came out here and got the jig or the table rolled out today, so that's out of the way. And now just welding the underside of the race car. I'm gonna put you guys on time lapse and let you watch this for just a little bit.
Baby, just stick it in the solid, man.
Baby, I'm going to do that too. I'm just double checking myself. Let me do what I'm doing. You got to watch my first time ever using that probably in your lifetime. I don't like saws. Scared of everything Brad says. Maggie gets it honest. But anyway, so I got that cut for cross member it looks like, and then he's gonna continue welding. So pretty much all there is to do tonight is just weld this thing up. Alright guys, so Brad is still welding, and I am inspecting to see if there's any welds that he has missed throughout the whole thing, and then Chris is working on shock mounts over there. So I'm gonna set it up and just let you guys watch this in real time. You see this one right here? Alright guys, so this is what we're looking for. So right there, it's not welded. We're putting a piece of tape here so that he knows to weld that. And then his spot's not welded. There's just a few. He's got to go back and do. This bar was just put in, so he's got to weld that entire thing. And then Chris is working on stock nuts. So this is where he's working. Alright, clean back up the shop. Hey, we need to put one of them on our Amazon wish list.
What?
A blower.
That really good leaf blower?
Huh?
Battery dead.
The battery's dead on it. It needs charged. It was starting to die earlier. Alright guys, so that's gonna finish us up for tonight. He got everything. Huh?
Okay.
Oh, I thought you were done.
No.
Oh, just kidding. It's not gonna finish us up for tonight. It's gonna finish us up on the welding part of it for tonight. For tonight.
No.
Okay, so he did weld all the underside here. So all that's welded. The car is welded. I'm sure there's spots we missed, and there's still some things he's got to add in. There's still a couple of bars, stuff like that. Some odd end stuff. But for now, that's where we are, and it's done at this stage.
Or just let it go.
So.
Let it go. It's gonna get welded.
You're gonna flip her over now.
Easy. Oh, it's coming on all.
Well, it ain't gonna be easy on the racetrack. Go ahead and put it to the test. Oh no, it's not level.
Oh man.
Dadgummit.
I hate that.
Brad, you messed something up.
Man, it looks weird, don't it?
Hey, isn't that supposed to be perfectly level with the floor?
No.
Huh?
I mean, it depends on who does.
Hey, but that's not what people on YouTube will tell you, honey. Oh no.
Why don't you tell me?
Now, what are we doing?
You gotta get on that end.
What are you doing?
Okay.
Alright, now, obviously, we just completely rolled over for some reason. Alright. She sure is a beaut. I guess.
Got some more welding to do.
Yeah. Did you miss some spots?
Yeah. Yeah.
Who was inspecting this?
I couldn't see all of it, sir.
Big gap. See, I told you ain't done.
Yeah, I gotta weld that.
But I don't want to lay them on this side overnight.
Why? Because all the weight.
Well, it's real easy to knock it over.
That ain't.
I ain't going nowhere. I bet.
Maggie or something come out here tomorrow, or y'all come?
We ain't coming down here tomorrow.
Okay, well then I don't gotta worry about it.
We ain't got no reason to come out here tomorrow. Alright. Brad's still welding and Chris is just cleaning up everything. So we can go back and double check and make sure we're missing the weld. He's just getting the black stuff off around it.
So I know I haven't done any videoing at all tonight. It's all been Dallas. As soon as I got home, I just came out here and got straight to welding. Pretty much got everything welded up. My dad's been working on cleaning the welds off with a wire brush on the grinder. That way we can go back and final inspect anything. Gonna try to start throwing some paint down tomorrow, hopefully. I'd like to get the underside painted. I'm not worrying about as much as the sides or anything like that. I still got to go back and put body tabs and things like that. So I'm not too concerned about that right at the moment. Just worrying about getting this underneath side so that once we flip the car over, we can put it on jack stands and we don't have to worry about that. So anyways, we got a lot done tonight, got a lot welded up, got a lot accomplished. My dad in Dallas, they got the jig out of the way while I was at work today, so that helped out a lot. And then, like I said, once I was able to get home, I was able to just jump in here and start welding and getting everything buttoned up and finished up together and everything. So it's coming along. I'm excited. We got a lot of parts in today, like Dallas said. We pretty much got all of our body parts and pieces, at least the plastics anyways. That's a major purchase there. That stuff ain't cheap anymore. Even at dealer cost, it's not cheap. I hear something, sounds like air leaking over there. Man, this thing's sizzling.
What?
This thing's sizzling. You hear it?
No. It's just charging. All I hear is a humming.
Sounds like water boiling.
I'm here.
Well, I'm gonna unplug this one. You can plug it back up when you come out here tomorrow.
So you gonna try to paint it?
I'll try to.
You gonna get it hot with heat?
Yeah, that'd probably work. And we can take that cardboard there and lay it down, some plastic or something. But anyways, that's gonna wrap us up for tonight. We appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate all the support. If you hadn't already, head over to Patreon, check us out over there. Amazon wish list down in the bottom. Appreciate everyone who's helped us out there and continues to help us out. We're on the final stretch there. We're getting there to where it's about time to start putting this thing together for the final time. We set it over a second ago and it was sitting on the floor like it would have been sitting on jack stands, and it was quite a please. It was a kind of a moment there where it's like, man, it's all came together. It's came together a lot more than it was when it was just a stack of tubing laying over on the floor. And it actually looks like something. So it's been a fun journey. It's been a long journey, but I'm ready to get this thing, ready to get some color on it, ready to start going to throwing some parts and pieces on it and making it actually look like a race car. So that's going to be it for tonight, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow.